Trapped in debt? You're not alone. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back. It can create stress and limit your options. You may feel alone, but millions of people struggle with debt. The good news is, you can break free. This guide will provide a clear path toward financial freedom. You can achieve financial peace of mind. Let's get started. Remember, you are capable of taking control of your finances. It's time to ditch the debt and embrace a brighter future. Let's do this. The debt trap. How did we get here? Understanding how debt accumulates is the first step to overcoming it. Often, it's a combination of factors. Unexpected life events, like medical emergencies, can lead to debt. Overspending and using credit cards impulsively play a significant role. Sometimes, it's simply a lack of financial education. The key is to identify your triggers for overspending. Once you understand your spending habits, you can modify them. Facing the music, taking stock of your debt. The first step towards debt freedom is acknowledging the problem. Gather all your debt information. Credit card statements, loans, and any other outstanding payments. List each debt, noting the interest rate, minimum payment, and total amount owed. This comprehensive list might feel daunting, but it provides a clear picture of your financial landscape. This clarity is crucial for creating an effective plan to tackle your debt. Budgeting, your blueprint for financial freedom. A budget is your roadmap to financial stability. It allows you to track your income and expenses, ensuring you spend less than you earn. Start by listing all your sources of income. Then, track your spending for a month. Categorize your expenses, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Allocate funds towards debt repayment, aiming for more than the minimum payment. Sticking to your budget ensures you live within your means. This is essential for achieving and maintaining a debt-free life. Section 5. Spending less. Trimming the fat from your finances. Reducing your expenses is key to freeing up cash flow for debt repayment. Start by identifying unnecessary expenses. These might include dining out frequently, subscription services you don't use, or impulsive purchases. Look for ways to save on your essential expenses, like negotiating lower rates for insurance or finding more affordable alternatives for groceries. Small changes can make a big difference. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Consider carpooling or using public transport. By consciously reducing your spending, you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Section 6. Earning more. Boosting your income to outpace debt. While cutting expenses is crucial, increasing your income can accelerate your debt repayment journey. Explore opportunities for a raise or promotion at your current job. Consider taking on a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time. Utilize your skills and interests to generate additional income streams. Every extra dollar earned can be directed towards paying off your debts faster. This empowers you to become financially independent sooner. Section 7. Negotiating with creditors. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many people overlook the power of negotiation. Reach out to your creditors and explain your financial situation. Request lower interest rates, waived fees, or a modified payment plan. Creditors are often willing to work with you, especially if it means recovering their funds. Don't hesitate to advocate for yourself. You might be surprised by the concessions you can secure. This can significantly reduce your debt burden and make repayment more manageable. Section 8. Strategic Debt. Snowball. Conquering your debts. One by one. The debt snowball method offers a powerful psychological advantage. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is eliminated, roll the amount you are paying toward the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, gaining momentum as you pay off each debt. This method provides a sense of accomplishment, motivating you to stay committed to your debt-free journey. Section 9. Staying debt-free. Maintaining your financial independence. Congratulations on achieving freedom from debt. Now, the focus shifts to maintaining this financial stability. Avoid incurring new debt unless it's for a sound investment with a clear repayment plan. Continue budgeting and tracking your expenses to ensure you stay on track. Building an emergency fund acts as a safety net, preventing you from falling back into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Remember, financial freedom is a continuous journey. By cultivating healthy financial habits, you can enjoy a secure and prosperous future.